In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Ctrader. Whether you're on desktop, web, or mobile, the process is quick, and I'll guide you through it so your platform displays values in the currency you prefer. Start by opening Ctrader on the device you're using. Give the platform a moment to load your workspace so your charts and panels are ready. You don't need any special setup for this. We're simply adjusting a display preference. Next, open any existing chart. It doesn't matter which symbol you choose, the currency setting we're about to change is a general preference and not tied to a specific instrument. Having a chart open just helps you immediately see the effect after you apply the change. Now, look for the settings control. On desktop and web, this is typically a gear icon near the bottom left corner of the interface. Click it to open the settings panel. If you're on mobile, you may find settings behind a gear icon or within the main menu. The label is the same, even if the placement looks a little different. Inside settings, navigate to the property tab. This is where Ctrader groups visual and display related options. Take a moment to scan the sections. You're looking specifically for a field labeled currency. This option controls how monetary values are shown in supported areas of the platform, such as profit and loss displays and chart annotations that reference currency. Open the currency drop-down and choose the currency you want to use. For example, USD, EUR, GBP, or another supported option. If you're unsure which to pick, choose the one that matches how you prefer to read your trading results or the currency you manage your finances in. Remember, this is a display preference and won't change your broker account's base currency. Once you've made your selection, click OK to confirm the changes. On mobile, you may see Apply or Save. Use that to confirm. Your charts and relevant panels should update right away. If you don't see the change immediately, click back to the chart, switch symbols, or briefly reload the workspace to refresh the view. A few quick tips to wrap up. This setting affects how values are displayed. It does not convert or change your actual account-based currency. If you use multiple workspaces or layouts, you may want to repeat the change where needed or save your layout so the preference sticks. And if you regularly start new charts, consider saving your current setup as a template so new charts inherit the same currency display. That's it. Your Ctrader currency display is now set to your preference.